The world is watching one narrow stretch of water tonight, and the stakes could not be higher. Tensions between the United States and Iran are rising fast as Iran's naval blockade strategy in key shipping routes continues to shake global markets and military planners alike. Americans' warships are now operating under intense pressure in the region, while Washington is warning Tehran that any further disruption could trigger a serious response. What makes this situation even more alarming is that oil tankers, cargo ships, and military vessels are all moving through the same dangerous zone at the same time. One wrong move, one miscalculation, and this crisis could spiral far beyond the Middle East for millions of Americans. This is no longer a distant geopolitical story. It could directly affect gas prices, inflation, the stock market, and even the upcoming political climate in Washington. The Trump administration is reportedly increasing the diplomatic and military pressure simultaneously, trying to send a message that the United States will not tolerate prolonged disruption in global shipping lanes. American officials believe Iran is testing how far it can push the international community without triggering direct military relation. Meanwhile, Iran claims its actions are defensive and meant to protect its own strategic interest in the region. But behind closed doors, US allies are growing nervous. European governments fear the situation could damage already fragile economies, while Gulf nations are quietly preparing for the possibility of wider conflict. The longer this blockade tension continues, the greater the risk that global energy supplies could tighten even further. And if oil prices surge again, American families could feel the impact almost immediately through rising transportation and food costs. At the center of this crisis is much bigger battle over influence and power. Iran has spent years building regional alliances and strengthening its naval capabilities, especially in waters critical to international trade. The United States, on the other hand, sees freedom of navigation as a red line. That's why American naval forces are increasing patrols and surveillance operations in nearby waters. Military analysts say the danger isn't necessarily a full scale war tomorrow morning. The bigger concern is an accidental clash that quickly escalates before diplomats can step in. History has shown that tense military standoffs at sea can change rapidly within minutes. A warning shot, a drone incident, or even aggressive maneuvering between ships could suddenly dominate headlines worldwide. Right now, both sides appear determined to project strength without appearing weak. What makes this moment especially sensitive is the timing. The United States is already dealing with economic uncertainty, heated political divisions, and global pressure from multiple international crises at once. A prolonged standoff with Iran could place even more strain on Washington's leadership heading deeper into election season. Critics are accusing the administration of appearing too cautious, while others warn that aggressive military action could ignite a larger regional conflict. Social media has also intensified the situation with dramatic footage, unverified claims, and military rumors spreading online almost instantly. That environment creates even more pressure on leaders to respond quickly, sometimes before all the facts are fully clear. Behind the scenes, intelligence agencies are monitoring every movement carefully because they know perception itself can become dangerous during moments like this. Meanwhile, global financial markets are reacting nervously as investors try to predict what happens next. Energy traders are watching every update from the region because even small disruption in shipping can send oil prices climbing overnight. Airlines, shipping companies, and manufacturing industries are all preparing contingency plans to case intention worsen further. Some experts believe both countries are ultimately trying to avoid direct war while still proving their strength to allies and opponents alike. But the problem with high stakes pressure tactics is that they often become difficult to control once emotions and military pride enter the picture. The next few days could become critical. If diplomacy fails to calm the situation, the world may begin seeing more aggressive military positioning, stronger sanctions, or even coordinated international responses designed to isolate Iran economically. For viewers here in America, this story matters far beyond foreign policy headlines. If this crisis intensifies, the economic ripple effect could hit households very quickly. Higher fuel prices could make everyday life more expensive again at a time when many Americans are already frustrated with rising costs. Financial markets could become more volatile, and the political debate in Washington could grow even more heated. At the same time, military families across the country are paying close attention because any escalation overseas always carries human consequences. Tonight, the world remain uh, locked in a dangerous waiting game with diplomats trying to prevent a confrontation while military forces stay on high alert. If you like the video, please do consider subscribing the channel and stay with me. I will be right back with another video. Till then, goodbye.